Hello everyone, welcome back to our Modern Oneself YouTube channel. I'm Monique and today I will show you how to use the rip feature on a lofted flange. As you can see, I've already created my flange as well as a few points that we're going to use for the different types of rip features. In your ribbon, select the Sheet Metal tab, go to your Modify panel and select the rip feature. If you click on the rip feature, you will have a drop-down list of the different types of rip features. By selecting single point, it uses only a single point to create the rip. Select your face, your point, you can enter a gap value and select OK. By selecting the point to point, it uses points on opposite sides of the face to define the rip begin as well as the end. Once again, select your face, the start point, as well as the end point, into your gap value. You can also change the direction of your rip and select OK. And by selecting face extents, it removes any selected faces. So if I click on this one, select OK, you will see that it removed the entire face that we selected. And there you have successfully created all the different rip types using the rip feature. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button below and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel to stay up to date with our weekly videos. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more tips and tricks.